Well, we have an update just in on our breaking news we're following this morning. In the last 15 minutes, we did hear back from Reading Police about the large police response outside the Reading Home Depot store early this morning. We got these photos from a witness, Misty Levan. You can see what appears to be an armored vehicle and several officers outside the store on Churn Creek Road in Reading. Well, police tell us they were assisting Vallejo Police Department in some sort of response. These photos were taken around 1 this morning. A witness then told us around 1:30 a white box truck was towed away from the parking lot. We're still working to get new information about the nature of this investigation. We're going to update you here on the air and online.